Hey everybody, it's Sally with Sally's Stunning Scents. And I promised last night that I would bring a January 2025 Whiff Box unboxing video to you. So here it is. Alright, so the Whiff Box is something that comes out every month. They have different items in them each month, and there's a different theme. So for January, I wonder if you can guess what the theme is. You'll be able to feel the love in your January Whiff Box. This month is specially curated with Valentine's Day themed products and fragrance. The adorable surprises inside are definitely blush worthy. All right, so let's do this first. Okay, so here is a 2-pack of pods, and this scent is called Peppered with Kisses. Let's check out this, guys. This is so cute. Of course, I love anything with hearts because I was born on Valentine's Day. And I usually try to open things before I do a video, and I forgot. So you gotta deal with me trying to figure out how to do this. Okay, I got it. So this is what we call a mini diffuser fan. A lot of people will use them in their car. You just can lay them flat. The main ones are usually round, and they can fit actually down in a cup holder. But this one is special for this month because it is a heart shape, because February is coming up. And the reason they sell this in January is so that you have it in time for February. So it comes with a USB cord. You just plug it in down here. And then you take one of your pods. Place it in the fan. And once you're plugged in, then this will dissipate the scent throughout wherever you're using it. I use one at my desk when I'm writing letters, and we've used them in our cars before. They're good for small spaces. I just really like them. And some people don't like wax because you can have waxidents, and I don't like when I have waxidents, but I still love our wax. But that's when you spill it, and then you got to figure out how to clean it. By the way, if you ever spill wax, a blow dryer on it to get it warmed up to the melted temperature again, and then pat at it with a paper towel, and that should clean up any waxidents. See, you're getting bonus information today. All right, so I saw another consultant put online that you could break this Whiff Box up into 3 separate smaller gifts for people. So you could do the mini fan diffuser with the pods as one gift. And then, let's see, it also comes with 3 scent circles in the Sweetheart Sugar Cookie scent. And look, they have different sayings on them. This one says love. And then we got cute. And then we got XOXO. I'm going to be corny. Shout out to Ray Love, Kevin Love, and Lori Love. This would be perfect for you guys. Okay, so those are the scent circles. You can hang those from a rearview mirror. You can hang them in a locker. You can put one in a trash can to help contain any odors in a trash can. They can be used pretty much anywhere. All right. Then we have some wax. And this is called Luck of the Rainbow. And I think this will be our scent of the month for next month. So usually your Whiff Box will get you something that's in the scent of the month for the next month, so you can get a preview of it, which is nice. I didn't look up what notes are in this, but there's definitely some citrusy smell to it, but it smells really, really good. I'm gonna have to warm that one. And then the other thing that comes in here is Blush the Axolot. This guy is adorable. This is called a buddy clip. See the clip? Kids love to hang these on their backpacks. Parents of infants, toddlers that aren't having a backpack yet will put them on their diaper bag. They help keep diaper bags and backpacks smelling good. Isn't that adorable? So anyways, okay, so I showed you the, I'm doing a lot of O's and sorry. The mini fan diffuser with the pod, so that could be one gift out of this box. And then you could combine a scent circle with the Scentsy buddy clip, so that could be a second gift. And then your other 2 scent circles with the bar of wax. Just get little gift bags at the dollar store and you've got 3 gifts for people. Total is $35. The value of this box this month, the value changes each month, but the price is always $35. But the value this month is $59. So if you had bought each of these items separately, you'd be spending $59. You buy the whiff box, you get it at $35. So it's definitely a good deal. You could give it all as one gift to somebody. You could give it to yourself. I think I'm giving me mine. I think my kids are actually going to pay me for it for my birthday, as well as the warmer of the month. I'll do that in another video. But then you could do, the 3 different gifts. So I think that's a great deal. And I just wanted to share it with you. And I thank you for watching. If you liked what you watched, please subscribe, like, comment, and press the bell notification so you'll get future videos about Sally's Stunning Scents. Thank you. Bye.